welcome back. So now we're actually going to start creating the website that I showed you in the previous video. But before we do that, I want to explain something that's a very integral part of WordPress, which is themes. So what are themes? Well, when you install WordPress, it comes with a default set of features that WordPress has built. So for example, the blog, error pages, the home page, and the sidebar. But the theme, what it actually does is it takes those parts and customizes it and makes it look really nice and visual. So every theme, of course, is going to have its own look, but themes usually comes with different sets of colors, fonts, default home pages, for example, and in terms of functions. So themes have many different functions. For example, some could be startups, some could be for e-commerce websites, and there are so many themes to choose from. And we are going to be using a different theme for each project so that you can really get used to working with different themes. But before we do that, I want to show you where you find themes. So this is your WordPress dashboard. When you log into WordPress by going to localhost/WordPress/wp-login.php, and then you log in with your credentials, it will bring you to this dashboard. Now, this is where you're going to be spending most of your time, is creating your website. But to go to the theme section, you're going to go onto the left here, click on Appearance, and then go to Themes. Click on that, and then it brings us to the themes page. Now we have lots of different themes here. The first thing I'd like to point out is this is the themes page. So right now we have the currently activated 2017 theme, which is the default theme that comes with WordPress. And we're not actually going to be using this theme. We're going to be using the 2016 theme, but I'm going to be explaining that later. So these are the themes, and this is the themes page. Up here you have a add new button, and this is to add a new theme. But if you want to, you can just click here to add a new theme. What this will do is bring you here, and this is where you can find themes that are currently existing on the WordPress repository. So you can see there are all sorts of themes that we can use, and if we just click on any one of them, we can see the actual preview. Unfortunately, it's not showing for this one. But if I find another one, it will show the preview. So let's look at this one. And there we go. You can see this is a theme preview. So you'll use this to search around and look for the theme that you actually want to use. But why don't we move on to actually, looking at the different parts of this page. So the first thing I want to show you is the upload theme button. Now, not every single theme will exist here on the WordPress repository. There are many third-party websites such as ThemeForest, which developers can upload their own themes. And what you do is if you buy one or get one for free, you can download it and then upload it using this upload theme button. Of course, here we have the popular, latest, and favorites search bars, and then we have the feature filter. So if we click on this, we can search by the subject or the topic, the features that the theme has, and of course the layout. So this, we will be using it consistently to find themes, and this is how I find themes for my websites. But other than that, there's only one really important feature, and that's the search button. So what I like to do, and especially while I was developing this course, I went and I just searched the best themes for this topic. And when I found the name of something, I could just search the name. So let me just search one of my favorite themes that we will be using in this course, which is Sydney. And if we search it, you can see that I found it right here. And we can click on it, we can view it, and of course we can install it. So that's really it for themes. It's quite basic. In the next video, I'm going to be teaching you how to switch themes and sort of view everything so that everything is ready and we can get started on creating the actual website.